Yes, thank you for joining us at this hour. We are currently going through a massive heat wave, massive heat stroke. We are feeling the heat of the moment. Many are asking why UNACO, United Nations Air Conditioning Unit, has not been turned on sooner. And tomorrow, the secret life of bugs. Are praying mantis really that religious? Until then, good luck. Hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed that mock newsreel. We're back in the studio. Today we're going to be doing a how-to tutorial showing you how to make that news clip called 3D broadcast template. Be sure to watch the end of the video to claim your promo code. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open your browser, go to renderforest.com, and then you want to go to create video. Then click animated videos, and then we're going to type in what we're searching for, which is the broadcast. Now we have a few different broadcast templates, as you can see here, but we're going to be choosing the one in the third row called 3D broadcast globe. Now, you have two options, the logo version or text version. Today, we're going to show you how to do the logo version. So here, we're going to choose our logo. If you already have one, you can make one on our website. We're going to use the logo we used from a previous video, Mark Johnson. Looks like he's changing careers from real estate to broadcast now. Then what you can do is edit your text. Here, we're just going to call the broadcast station MJTV. Why not? Next is going to be choosing your color. I personally like this red color. I think it goes well with the template, but if you want to change it, you can. And then next is music. The default music is on the top, but if you want to change it to an original song or one of our other songs from our library, you can change it at this time, but I'm going to leave it as the default music. Last is previewing. You're going to click preview, and then it's going to take a few seconds or a minute or two to render, and then once it's done rendering, you can view it at that time. So here you're going to click the play button just to make sure that you like the way that it looks. If there's any edits that you want to make, I would suggest making it at this point after the preview. Instead of rendering the whole thing, you can make the edit after just a preview. Okay, so it looks good to me. So at this point, you can either just download it with this button here in different types of resolutions. You can also download it or publish it directly to YouTube. If you didn't know, you can also publish directly to YouTube from here. Or you can share it directly to social media. You can share it to LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. Another way to get to the download option is to go to My Videos and then click download from there. And there you have it. An easy to use news intro template to use for your school or personal project. The watermark comes with the free version of RenderForest, but if you need it in a higher resolution or without the watermark, you can use one of our paid subscriptions. But Seto, what if I only need one download and I don't want a whole subscription? Well, then you can just do a pay per product option also. Just switch it from subscription to pay per product. Thanks for sticking with us so far. You can use the promo code that appears on your screen now during checkout for your first paid subscription. But don't wait too long because it's only good for 1 month after this video is published. If you got something out of this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for future notifications. If you have a question about what we talked about in today's video or a suggestion for a future video, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. Until then, good luck.